Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at my AirTag. I've been using this since Friday. It is now currently Tuesday afternoon. So I just want to show you guys how it's been holding up and what it looks like after using it for the weekend, being in and out of my pocket at work and that kind of stuff. So there are some spots on the leather AirTag keychain here that are showing a little bit of dirt and stuff, like I said, from being in and out of my pocket, using them at work. It is a little bit scratched up. These things kind of scratch like the old iPods do. Not a huge deal. They're $29. Keep it for a little while. If it gets totally messed up, you know, get another one. So I'm not worried about that. But this leather piece right here is $35. So I do kind of want to keep that in good condition for a little while at least. And the fact that it shows a little bit of signs of use, not use, but like dirt around the edges here and stuff like that from your pockets after like 3 or 4 days is a little bit concerning, but I know leather is going to wear and that kind of stuff and look different over time. That's completely normal. But if you are in like an environment where your keys are exposed to dirt and debris and stuff like that, I would recommend picking up a plastic key ring, like one of the Belkin ones for $12.95. That will hold up obviously a lot better than the leather one. But if you're going for more style and look, then the Apple leather ones are obviously the way to go. One other con to this one is the way it hangs down. You can obviously put this on your own key ring, but the one it comes with is pretty big, and this hangs down right here as opposed to this where it would be hanging up here. So if you don't want your keys all big and bulky, obviously you're going to want to go with something like this as well for that reason, just to keep it down. I haven't had to use my AirTag because I lost something yet, but I have tried it with the precision finding, with the sound, all that kind of stuff. The precision finding works about one room over for me in my house, so it's about 15 to 17 feet if it's in another room, and then about 25 to 30 feet if it's in the same room. So it works pretty well, but it'll definitely help you find something if your keys like fell under the couch and you know that's where you had them last. You'll be able to use that to locate them very easily. Other than that though, I really haven't had to use it or do anything with it, but it's just nice to have peace of mind that it's there and that Find My Network and all that kind of stuff. If you drop them in public or something like that, you'll be able to find them a little bit easier, hopefully. But that's my experience overall with the AirTag. I've had them for about 72 hours now, a little bit longer, but worth $29, definitely. I'd say go with the AirTag over the Tile because of the larger network. The Tile, you only get the location thing from other Tile users with the app installed. This works with basically every iPhone that's updated and has Find My, which is pretty much all of them nowadays. And will get, you know, increasingly larger in the future as more people update their phones and buy new iPhones now that this is out. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have an AirTag and you've had to use it yet, how it worked out for you, how it helped you, and as always, have a great day.